Watch a Tesla Model X drive with its Falcon. Oh, I saw this one.
Is this the one?
It wasn't it, though. No, it wasn't it. It wasn't it. But I did see this one and thought that you should definitely put it in. So apparently somebody decided to go for a drive with the Falcon-Wing doors open.
Yes.
And it is not a good idea.
No. The video.
Oh, the video got taken down?
Maybe.
No, come on.
Okay, let's search.
This was breaking news, man.
Yeah, it was shown all over the place.
There you go. Here we go. This is definitely it. Reposted to YouTube. Tesla Model X door gets smashed.
So, some context. This person was pulling out with the doors open, or at least one of them. Decided to drive away while this person's filming, not warning the person as well.
Oh, baby.
And hits the bus.
Good Lord. Dangerous, too, man. Right where the driver is.
That person in the motorcycle.
My
just
God.
holding their head.
Holy moly. That is ugly. It's more violent than I expected it to be. Like, I guess I was kind of hoping it was like a subtle ding, but that was pretty serious. Smashed the glass, and then the door is completely wrecked. Yeah. Was he trying to do a stunt? Do we know, or was this a malfunction of some kind?
I think this person didn't hear the sound that the Tesla is supposed to make.
But you know the giant doors open. You don't think you noticed that?
I want to give this person the benefit of the doubt. Maybe they didn't hear that there was
wind and street
outside noises.
It's a lot, man.
Some sort of warning signal from Tesla. But yeah, unfortunately, this hit the bus. Didn't hurt anyone. Everyone's fine. Driver's fine. But yeah,
it's an interesting thing about doors. If you have a regular car that does not have Falcon-Wing doors, you have a regular car. Mm-hmm. It's hard to drive with the doors open,
right?
Because they're going to swing shut in most cases, right? If you tried to drive with them, wouldn't they?
Swing shut.
Well, let's say this: even if you hit something, they would be pushed shut.
Sure, yeah.
Before
maybe get like a little dent.
It would be a dent, but it wouldn't have nearly the impact because the Falcon-Wing hits and it has nowhere to go. I mean, it obviously closes up and down. So it's funny. You try to think why car doors open the way they do. Uh-huh. Because you have other doors, like on a Rolls Royce and such, where they open backwards. I think they call them suicide doors, right?
Yeah.
You would have the same problem there. If you ever hit anything with them open, it's a lot of resistance.
Yeah.
But yeah, these doors have been a problem for Tesla in the past. Apparently I don't know if they really regret them. I was listening to Elon on Rogan's podcast. He said he said that car's the coolest car ever. He loves it, does all kinds of fancy things. But my understanding is, from an engineering perspective, those doors may be a little bit over the top and have had some certain issues.
I hear you.